So hey guys, welcome back to my channel Softtech and my name is Ritvik, and today we are going to talk about one of the professional video editing softwares available in the market right now. Okay, and the software that we are going to talk about is Power Director 18. Okay, so this Power Director 18 has one of the cool features. Okay, so without any delay, let's get started. So guys, once you have opened the Power Director 18, the layout looks like this. Okay, here you can see that there are bunch of options from which you can select anything. Okay, so here you can select the aspect ratio of your video. Okay, like you can select the 16:9, 1:1, 9:16, 4:3, and one of the best thing in this software is you can also edit 360 videos in this. Okay, so that is very nice option. Okay, so I want to just select the 16:9 option. Okay, just click it. Okay, and then we have these four options here which says full mode, storyboard mode, slideshow creator, and auto mode. Okay, in the full mode you can like completely edit your videos according to your wish. Okay, because you are having full control in your video. Okay, but in story mode, slideshow creator, and auto mode, it automatically create everything. Okay, and in automatic mode, okay, this is auto mode. Okay, in that mode you have to just give clips to that. Okay, it automatically add transitions, add background music, add special effects and everything, and just gives you. Okay, that is also nice option if you don't want to edit your videos completely in your hands. Okay, so now I want to edit full video because I want full control in my video. So just go here and click full mode. Okay, so guys, once the Power Director 18 has opened, the layout looks like this. Okay, here you can see this is the import media panel where all the files that you have imported would be staying there. Okay, and this is the place where you edit all your videos because this is the main timeline. Okay, so in this timeline you can add picture in picture, transitions, okay, effects, background music, anything that you want. Okay, and this is the preview window. Okay, here you can see how your video has come. So that is the basics of the Power Director 18. The first main thing we have to do is to import our files. Okay, if you want to import, just go to this option here. Okay, just click import media, and here you can see that there are options like import media files or import media folder. Okay, so we can import some of the videos or photos that you want, or you can import the entire folder inside this. Okay, so I'm just clicking import media files. So this dialog box appears and you can browse and select your videos whichever you want. So I'm just selecting this. Okay, and this. Okay, I want these two videos and just click open. Okay, so now you can see that our videos has been imported here. Okay, so next we have to drag them into the timeline. So that is very simple. Select the video that you want to import. Okay, and just drag it inside the timeline. Okay, and leave it. So you can see our timeline has come into our video. Okay, and you can preview our video here. Okay, and one more thing guys, if you want to record your videos inside this, you can do it by just going into the capture. Okay, you can see here capture, so just click it. So guys, now you can see we can just make our videos from here. Okay, our webcam has been opened, so you can just talk it, but my webcam is very bad, so I'm just ignoring it. I'm recording in my new camera. Okay, so you can just record your videos from this screen. Okay, and just once you have recorded, those will be automatically imported into this, so you can edit them. So I think that's a great feature if anyone is having some nice webcam. Okay, so now the main things is editing. Okay, so for editing we have these features. Okay, the first thing is we have to trim our videos. Okay, and the next thing is we need to add transitions. Okay, and the next thing is we need to add titles, and next thing is we have to add some special effects, background music, and all those stuff comes inside the editing. Okay, so we can do all of those stuff here. Guys, the first thing that we need to do is like trimming our videos. Okay, so to trim our videos, just go and select the clip that you want to trim. Okay, and now you just go to the corner of the clip where you can see the cursor has changed into two arrow marks. Okay, so just click that and just drag it wherever you want to trim. Okay, so I want to trim it till here, so just leave it. Okay, and now you can see that our video has been trimmed. Okay, so that's how you trim. But there are still cases like if a person is talking and he forgets whatever he is talking, and after some time he speaks again. Okay, but there is gap left between these two. Okay, we don't want that, we need to delete them. So we can do that simply here. Okay, select the place that you want to cut. Okay, and just go to this option. It says split the selected clip, so just click it. Okay, now you can see that our clips has been divided. Okay, and I want to delete it till here. Okay, so just click this option again. Okay, which says split the selected clip. Okay, and now you can see that our clip has been separated into three parts. Okay, so this is the first part, this is the second part, and this is the third part. Okay, and I want to delete this. Okay, so just select it and click option delete. Okay, and before deleting these options, it will ask. Okay, it asks remove and leave gap, remove and fill gap, and remove, fill gap, and move all clips. Okay, so it means that if you click remove and leave gap, okay, that clip whichever you have selected gets removed, but the second clip whichever it is won't come inside like this, it would just stay right there. Okay, and if you click remove and fill gap, okay, this clip gets deleted and this clip also comes here. Okay, and if you click remove, fill gap, and move all clips, okay, then this comes here, and whichever clips that are more than this, okay, like if you have 10 sequences here, those all clips would come together. Okay, so that is the option, so I will just click remove and fill gap. Okay, now you can see that that clip has been removed and our gap has been filled. Okay, so that's how you cut your videos. So that is the basics. Okay guys, the next thing we need to do is add titles. Okay, adding titles is one of the main thing to attract people. So to add titles, just go to this T option here which says title room, so just click it. Then you can see that these are the titles. Okay, just go to the all contents. So now you can see that these are all our titles. Okay, there are so many of the titles which you can use in your videos. Okay, so just select the title whichever you want. So I'm just clicking some basic one. So just select the clip whichever you want and just drag it inside the timeline. Okay, so I want it till here. Okay, so now you can see that our title has been added here. Okay, and if you want to edit your titles, just double click this video. Okay, just double click the title, then this dialog box appears. Okay, and here you can edit your titles very advanced. Okay, you can add borders, you can make it 3D. Okay, you can make animations like it should rotate and come and fade away, you can do bunch of them. Okay, and you can also edit your animations in it. Okay, means I want my title to come from here like this, like this, like this. You can edit your wish it is. Okay, it's beyond your imagination. Okay, so now we can just double click this and type whichever you want. Okay, so I have entered Softtech and just click enter. Okay, so now we can see that our title has been added which says Softtech, and now to edit it completely just select this all. Okay, and here you can see we can change our font styles. Okay, and there are bunch of font styles that you can add, but I like this, so I'm just clicking this Sonic. So okay, now we can see our font style has been changed, and next thing is we need to change our color, so you can change the color according to your likings. Okay, and you can add border, animations, everything. Okay, I will make separate video on how to add titles. Okay, so stay tuned for that. Okay, and once you are satisfied with your title, just click OK. Now you can see that our title has been changed. So that's how you add titles inside the PowerDirector 18. And next thing is to add transitions between two clips. Okay, so to add transitions, just go to this thing with lightning. Okay, just click it. So here you can see there are bunch of transitions. Okay, there are so many transitions, and one best thing about this is you can also preview. Okay, just by selecting this, it previews the transition how it comes. Okay, so just select whichever transition you want inside this two between clips. Okay, now you can see that our transition has come. So if I preview this, you can see how it comes. I think so. Get large shot. So guys, you can see the transition effect is very nice and cool. So you can add those transitions according to your likings here, and you can also add effects, okay, voiceovers and everything. So that is the basics on how to edit your videos in PowerDirect 18. Okay, and once you are satisfied with your video, we need to export it. Okay, so to export our video, we need to go into this produce. Okay, just click produce. So it's opening, so let's wait. So guys, our produced page is opened, where you can see this is the video outcome. Okay, this is how it comes. Okay, we can preview our video how it comes finally here. Okay, and there are so many options that you can export it, like you can export it in AVI, MPEG Photo, Windows Media. Okay, and so many things. So I select whichever you want, and you can also change your formats, like you can export it till 4K or export it cheap, okay, low quality, or you can export them into your mobiles, anything. Okay, select any of the file that you want. So I'm just clicking standard HD. Okay, and now you can select, it says something but we just ignore. Okay, and here you can select your audio settings and everything. Okay, and once you have edited all your things, and if you are ready to export, just go here and click start. Okay, when you click start, our video gets exported, and we can also change our exporting location file by going here. Okay, just click it, and you can select where your video should go. Okay, and just click save. Okay, then you can go start, so that our videos go into the selected place. So guys, that is how you edit your videos in PowerDirect 18. Okay, PowerDirect 18 is one of the great video editing softwares, and this is the one of the quickest video editing softwares. Okay, this thing exports super fast. Okay, so this is one of the fastest video editing softwares you can get in the market, and this is very professional. Okay, you have some advanced features like motion tracking, chroma key, all those advanced stuff. So if you are willing to purchase it, you can purchase it from Cyberlink PowerDirector site. Okay, there you can see the payment options. So guys, that's it for today. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please go down and please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to like, share my videos to your friends or family. Okay, and that's all for today, and let us meet in my next video.